Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger notification not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click on hot side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on notification and allow notification. After turn on notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Messenger app. Click on Messenger app. Click on storage and cache and clear cache Messenger app. After clear cache Messenger app, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Messenger notification not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.